Ukuphuza izinxubevanga esifana nolamula, ijinja noju kuye kuthengeni imithi engahlonzwanga udokotela izinto abantu abakholelwa kuzo kakhulu. Iningi selivele liqome khona ukugquma ngamafutha athize nemithi yendabuko. uHelda Jeske uthi naye waqhuma emva kokukhaqwa yicorona nyakenye. Uthi kwamsiza lokho.
So I actually added a chamomile tea bag, which is something that had come from sort of childhood, or sometimes essential oil that I added into the water, so that I had something extra to the water, but I did it with just water a couple of times too.
Kepha abanye ongoti bezokulapha bathi lokho akulungile.
The question that I think for steam for treatment of COVID-19, there's no role for it. However, if you use the steam just to relieve your nasal congestion, that's something different. But also we have to be worried about the what you use extra to steam yourself with. Using an oily substance like Vicks or things like oils, normally it will, unfortunately, you're going to inhale most of these oily substances to your lungs and you might actually complicate and develop lung problems.
Udokotela Thabane owazakhela igama ngencwadi ayibhala ngokuzelapha kwabantu uma bene-corona uthi iningi lesiguli uma zingeniswa esibhedlela asifuni ukuxhunya imishini yokuphefumula.
If you got COVID, with or without symptom, make sure you lie on your tummy. Because when you come into ICU, we make sure that you are prone, you sleep on your tummy. That's very important. And the third thing is about your oxygen. If your oxygen is low, you need to get oxygen.
Udokotela Thabane uthi abantu abanesifo sofuba bayebeka engcupheni kakhulu impilo yabo uma bejuluka ngokweqile. Leli gciwane selibulala abantu abangaphezulu kwa 40,000 selokulaqubuka nyakenye.